friends! I am Glory, and she is my friend Emily. Today, we are in a garden so close to nature. Let's do an interesting, fun activity. Let's start. We need white flowers, clear glass, water, food color, and spoon for this activity. So, did you know plants can drink water just like us? But how does water travel up the stem? Up? But water goes down! Let's do a science experiment to find out. Wow, the water changed color. Wow! Hey friends, what do you think? Will the flowers change color? I really doubt. Huh? Glory! The petals are changing color! The water has moved up. Yes, Glory! Plants have tiny tubes inside the stem. These tubes are called xylem. What? Xylem! Xylem carries water from roots up to the leaves and flowers. The colored water moved up through the xylem, and that's why the petals changed color. So plants need water to stay healthy. Yes, water helps plants make food and grow. Try this experiment at home with an adult. Science is fun! Okay, friends, see you soon. If you want to meet us again, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!